Good morning, children. Welcome back for e-learning. Today we are here to learn English grammar, that is English 2 of Standard 2nd. We have previously done this chapter, that is chapter number 8, link verbs, was, were, shall be, will be. We have done this before in previous video. Okay, now this is the second part of the chapter, that is exercise number 2, that is question number 2. Question number 1 we have already done. So I'll just revise the first part of the lesson and then we will do the second part of the lesson. Okay, so children, what is the link verbs? That is the verb forms of be. Those are was, were, shall be, will be. Okay, was, were, shall be, will be. And when we use them, and we use these verb forms in the form of tenses. What are tenses, children? We have done before. Tense means telling us the time when it has occurred. Something which has occurred, it has some specific time, that is today, tomorrow, or yesterday. Three, that is past, present, and future. Three parts. Okay, so we get to know the time in three parts, that is past, already happened, present, that is happening currently, going on now, and future, that will take place in future, that will happen in future. So we have done this exercise number 1, that is this year I am in standard 2nd. You all are currently promoted to standard 2nd and you all are in standard 2nd. So right now you all are in standard 2nd. I am in standard 2nd. I am studying in standard 2nd. So always remember, children, whenever it is present tense, the verb form you will see, that is link verbs, you will find in a sentence is and am. I am studying in standard 2nd. I am writing, she is running. So is and am comes in always in present tense. What comes in the past tense? Past tense, we will find the link words such as was or were. Okay, was, were, or sometimes are also. Okay, they are playing over there yesterday, or they were playing over there yesterday. Okay, so was and were will be always in past tense. Okay, and what will be in the future tense? Future tense will be the word will be, shall be. Okay, shall be, will be, could be. These are the words which you will find in the future tense sentences. Okay, so now we will come to the second part of the lesson, that is on page number 12, exercise number 2, that is question number 2. What the exercise tells us over here. Okay, fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the verb be. So here also you have to read the sentence, see in which tense it is, and you have to use those link verb forms of be correctly in, so that the sentence become correct sentence, correct order of the sentence. Okay, children, so here we start with the exercise. The first question I'll read for you, then we will write the answer. Okay, and simultaneously when we are doing this exercise, note down the answer while watching the video in your notebook or in your workbook. Okay, and later on in neat and tidy you have to complete the full exercise in your notebook with proper date and heading in neat and tidy handwriting. Okay, so the first question is, it dash 7 o'clock now. Now means currently. So what will come? It dash is. It is 7 o'clock now. Okay, and the second part of the sentence is, the meeting dash at 8 o'clock. So right now it is 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock will be taking place sometime later, so it will be future. It has not had occurred or happened, so it will be the meeting will be at 8 o'clock. So there are two answers in each question, so note down correct answer carefully. The first answer, first part of the answer is, and the second part of the answer is will be. Now comes the second question, number 2. Tomorrow is always, children, future. So in future we will use tomorrow will be a holiday. So tomorrow, it has not happened. The second part also will be in future. So there will be no school tomorrow. So both the parts of the answer of question number 2 is will be. Make a note of it. Number 3. Sunil dash the captain of our team in the next match. Not this match, next. So circle next. It is telling you the time which will take place in the next match, future, later on. So here number 3 also answer is will be. Okay. Now one more thing I want to note down, children. In question number 1, circle now. So you will remember, now means it is currently, it is present tense. Circle now. And in question number 2, circle tomorrow. Both the parts of the sentence is having tomorrow word. So circle tomorrow to remember the time of the sentence, the tense. Okay. Number 3, you will circle next. Means it will happen in next match. Okay. Now number 4, yesterday. Yesterday means it has already passed, over, finished. Yesterday was a holiday. All the members of the family were at home. Okay, so you have already seen what was happening yesterday, who were there at home. So yesterday was holiday, all were at home. So here circle yesterday. Okay. Number 5, next year she dash 16 years old. Next year. Okay, not this year, next year, future. Circle next. So answer will be. Okay, will be. Now number 6, he dash absent last week because he dash sick. When you are absent to your school, okay, so next day you come to school, so everyone question you, why were you absent yesterday? So here you will answer, I was absent because I was not feeling well. Was because it has already happened. So here also he was absent last week. Circle last week because he was sick. Okay. Now number 7, I dash busy now. Now it is happening now. Circle now. So here now, as I have told you before, in present tense 2 things will be visible very easily, that is and second one will be am. So here it will be I am busy now. Circle now. My work will be over after some time. After some time, not now. My work will not finish now, it will finish after some time. So circle after some time means later. So second part answer is will be. Number 8, it dash lunch time now. What you will circle here? Now. Correct. Circle now. So now it is currently happening, it is going on. So it is lunch time now. The players are in the pavilion. The players are in the pavilion. Pavilion means a place surrounded by the playground where we sit for our relaxation period. Okay, the players are in the pavilion, and the third part of the answer is they will be back on the ground after lunch. Circle after lunch means right now lunch time is going on. After lunch they will be back on the ground. So circle after lunch. So will be the answer of the third part of the answer, that is question number A. Number 9. The birds in the nest are very small. The birds in the nest are very small. They were just eggs till yesterday. Okay, so the birds in the nest are very small, and the second part answer is were just eggs till yesterday. Now number 10. It dash evening now. Circle now. Currently. So it is evening now. The sun was, right now it is evening. Okay, so the sun was in the east in the morning. Where was the sun? In the east. But now it is in the west. So now it is evening, so sun is going to set now. Where the sun sets, to which side? West. So now it is in the west, and soon the sun will be out of sight. Soon the sun will disappear from the sky. We won't be able to see from our eyes. Out of sight means it will be not visible to us, and the night will begin. Okay, so there are 4 answers for number 10 question. Is, was, is, will be. Make a note of it. Number 11. Before 15th August 1947, India. Before means we are talking about past. Before 15 August 1947, India was not a free country. Okay, was. But now we are. As I told you before, in the present tense, what will be visible very clearly for you to make a note of it, that it is present tense, is MR, 3 link verbs. So here R will be there. So question number 11 answer is was and R. Now we'll go for 12. Tomorrow, what we will circle? Tomorrow, telling you the time of the future. So future will always be followed by will be. Tomorrow will be Sunday, so all the members of the family will be at home. Both the places will be, we have to write because it's a future tense. Number 13. Sunday is the first day of the week. Okay, Sunday is the first day of the week. Number 14. This small plant dash a big tree after 10 years. Circle after 10 years means later 10 years. This small plant will be a big tree. Will be, future, will be. And the last one, 15 question. In the winter, days are short and nights are long. Okay, last one is in the winter days are short and the nights are long. So children, we are done with chapter number 8, link verbs, both the parts. So you have to complete this exercise in your workbook as well as in your notebook with neat and tidy handwriting, with proper date and heading, and do your assignments, homework every day very religiously, very regularly. Don't skip any lessons for tomorrow. Always do your all subjects assignments daily on regular basis without skipping any day. Okay, thank you. Bye.